Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Boss Vision, where I show you all of my hauls, fitness, and beauty. So today we're going to get started with a review of this 9W Morphe palette here that I bought from Ulta. It was only $12. I definitely have to see if it's worth $12 or if it's worth way more than that. And then I have this Allure eyelashes from Jordan Woods that I wanted to try out. They're these short, handmade eyelashes that are only 3/4 length, so I definitely want to see how they look. I never wear eyelashes, so this will be a brand new thing for me. I'm really excited to get started. Here is the before and after that they say you'll look like, so that's my goal, just a natural lash. I don't want to do anything crazy. I don't want no umbrellas under my eyes, so we're just gonna do a natural lash, and yeah, let's just get started. So first, I'm just gonna unbox this Morphe palette. It has really beautiful packaging here. I like that it's a smoky shadow because I like just doing a smoky eye. I don't like to do anything crazy, such as, you know, the blues and reds and things like that. So it's really interesting. I'm really looking forward to just trying it out and getting a good feel for what we have here. Let me just open this up here. All right, opening the box. This is interesting. Ooh. I like that they did this. It's really good that they made sure the palette was safe, because the worst thing you could do is leave it unpackaged and then you have your palette come out with just eyeshadow everywhere. So I'm glad they did that. That was really nice. Let's open this up. Ooh, fancy, fancy. Ooh, Morphe. It looks expensive to me, even though it's $12. All right. Open. Oh, I like this. Oh, cool. So it has this little sheet film over it that tells you all of the names of the eyeshadows. So this one's All Hours. This one's After Dusk. I'll just get closer. After Dusk. There's the Wicked one. Feeling Moody. Steal Away. Dark Side. Ooh, Silver Storm. Nightfall, I'm gonna need Nightfall, that's for a smoky eye. And Lights Off, ooh, I like this. This is cute, okay. So I've already done a full face of makeup here. The number one thing we're just gonna do is eyes, just doing my eyeshadow here and my eyelashes. So the first thing I like to do is to do a base, and I like to, since I'm doing a pretty smoky eye, I like to just start off with a warm base. So I think I'm gonna go with, Feeling Moody to start. That pretty glitter there, right here. Feeling moody. You know, sometimes we'll be feeling moody, it just be one of those days. So I'm just gonna take here I have all of my brushes are from BS Small collection, and I'll just link them down below. But this is for my base. I just like to use a brush like this, that way I can just get it all over my eyelid. So yeah, let's just get into it. I know YouTubers, they blow off the powder after you apply it. I think that, let's see if that helps, because I've never tried that before. Okay, this is cute. Oh, so it's like a really dark brown. I like that. It's giving me like smoky eye. Cover my lid. I've already primed my eyes as well. Let's do the same to the other side. I love a smoky eye because you can wear it when you're going out instead of just during the day. So it's really fun. Yeah, so that looks good already. It looks like I've done more than just one color. I think this is a gradient shadow because, see that? You see how it's like a little brown and a little glittery? Wow, it's giving me a lot of dimensions. I wonder if you guys can see that. This is gorgeous. So yeah, I'm pretty much built with my base here, and now I'm just gonna go into my crease and smoke it out a little bit. So I just take another brush from BS Small. I like these type of brushes just to get into the crease because it'll just dig right into the crease, and then you'll use another brush to blend. So you can just get into it. See if this thing actually works. Ooh, it's a really pigmented black. I like that. Okay. Get into the crease on this side too. Okay, it's looking cute already. So I like to just blend that out. I don't like to leave it as it is. So I'm gonna go grab my blending eyeshadow brush. Oh, look, it's right there. This is not from Be Small. It's from Elizabeth Mott. I got this with one of my Birchboxes in the past. I love it. It's an all over shadow brush, but I just use it as a blending brush for my crease. So yeah, just get in there and blend out that darker color into the lighter color. Blend it, girl up. Blend it, blend it, blend it, blend it, blend it. Ooh, okay, that looks really cute. So yeah, so we are coming along with our smoky eye. It really doesn't take me that long to do my makeup. I just stick to the basics, you know, like if you want. Like, you know, if you want a smoky eye, I'm just gonna hit it with three things. So next, I wanted to take my BS Small brush and just get into that Morphe palette with this pretty purple color here, because I'm wearing purple today and I think it might match. So I'm just gonna get into it and get into just my inner corner of my eye only. Ooh. Like that. Wow. Sorry guys, this is a real review. Like, I didn't know this was gonna be that good. Yes, Morphe, okay. So like, I have this perfect smoky eye and it didn't take me long at all. Wow. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes off camera and I'll come back. Hey guys, I'm back. So I put on the eyelashes. This is the finished look. I love them actually. I love this little natural wispy look. I could still, you know, I could do some eyeliner. I'll probably do a little eyeliner just to cover up that lash line, but I like this natural look. Okay, Jordan, I wanted to buy something that was inexpensive and really pretty, so I'm pretty confident that this will look amazing on camera. See, look, I just covered up that lash line and it made a huge difference. I'm gonna do that same on this side. By the way, lashes are so hard to put on. It truly sucks. I would say get individual lashes because, woo, take a good 5-10 minutes just in there, like in it. All right, guys. So that's everything for this review. Please make sure you comment down below any videos you'd like me to do, any products you'd like me to review. I will certainly look into them. And please make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on anything that I post. And I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your week. And thank you. Bye.